Be honest with me for a second. How many times have you opened your phone today? 10, 50, 100. You don't even know, right? Your brain isn't tired, it's kidnapped, and every notification is the ransom note. Smart people already figured this out. Your focus isn't weak, your brain is addicted. But today, we're going to fix that in 5 days. The truth, no one tells you. Our brains were never designed for this. 10 million dopamine hits per day. TikTok, YouTube, messages, drama. You're constantly being attacked by interesting things you don't actually care about. Your brain's like, oh, shiny. Every 12 seconds, you start studying, and suddenly you're thinking about shoes, random memes, your future wedding playlist, and that one embarrassing thing you said in 7th grade. You're not distracted because you're weak. You're distracted because companies make billions off your attention. You're the product. Your time is the price. What distraction does to your brain? Think of your brain like a muscle. Every time you switch tasks, you scroll while you study, talk, eat, and then scroll again. You're ripping that muscle apart. Your focus becomes flimsy. Your attention span becomes trash. Your boredom tolerance, gone. Your brain literally forgets how to sit still with one task long enough to finish it. You're not exhausted. You're overstimulated. You don't need more motivation. You need a detox. The 5-day fix. 5 days, 5 levels. Each one removes a distraction and restores a superpower your brain lost. Are you ready? Let's rebuild your brain. Day 1. Dopamine Detox Light. Today we're starting simple. Remove only one distraction from your environment. Not all, just the biggest one. For most people, the phone. Put it in a different room while you study. This tiny shift instantly breaks automatic scrolling habits. Then replace that distraction with one friction-free task. Open your books to the exact page you need. Place your pen where your hand naturally rests. Make starting too easy to avoid. Your brain follows the path of least resistance, so make focus the easy path. Day 2. The 90-second rule. Every time you catch yourself reaching for your phone, wait 90 seconds. Don't fight the urge. Just delay it. Most cravings die quicker than you think. During those 90 seconds, take one small action toward your task. Highlight a sentence. Solve one problem. Write one idea. Momentum kills distraction better than motivation ever could. Day 3. The focus ritual. Your brain loves routines, so create a 60-second ritual before every study session. Example, first, deep breath. Second, set timer. Third, sit up straight. Fourth, open book. Same routine. Every time. Now what happens? Your brain starts connecting this routine with focus mode, like flipping a switch. You won't need motivation, you'll have automatic activation. Day 4, environment upgrade. Your surroundings shape your brain, so change one thing in your environment that boosts focus. Better lighting, cleaner desk, even a different chair. If your room feels like a gaming lounge, your brain will want to relax. If it looks like a workspace, your brain will want to work. Design the environment that supports the person you are becoming. Day 5, the Deep Focus Challenge. Time to go big. Choose your hardest task of the day. Set a timer for 30 minutes of distraction-free focus. No checking, no switching, just one task. When the timer ends, reward yourself. A snack, a short walk, a 3-minute break. Rewards make your brain want to repeat the habit. That's how focus becomes addictive. Bonus protocols, optional but powerful. First, white noise hack. Try brown noise or ambient sounds. It blocks distractions without filling your mind. Second, task rule. Each day, pick only 2 high-impact tasks. Finish them gives success. Everything else is bonus. Visual accountability. Use a simple paper habit tracker. Mark each daily win. Your brain loves seeing progress. 4 study sprints, short sessions, quick wins. This builds stamina over time, like going to the gym for your mind. The science behind it. You're rewiring your dopamine system, swapping cheap dopamine, TikTok scrolling for deep dopamine, progress, learning. Deep dopamine hits harder, it lasts longer, and it makes you proud of yourself instead of guilty afterward. Building a new identity. When you do these steps for 5 days, you stop being someone trying to focus and become someone who does focus. That identity shift, it's everything. Habits stick because you believe, I'm the type of person who finishes what I start. Real results. Students who did this reported better grades, less anxiety, more energy, more free time, because focus saves you hours of wasted attention. You don't need a new brain. You just need a brain that isn't constantly hijacked. This is how you take it back. The breakthrough: after 5 days, your brain won't crave chaos anymore. You'll actually be able to finish work without feeling tortured. You'll feel calmer, more confident, more capable, more you. For the first time in forever, your brain won't feel like a browser with 47 tabs open and one screaming audio ad you can't find. You'll feel human again. So here's your challenge. 5 days, no excuses. 1 step per day. Watch what happens to your life. If this hit you, if you felt called out just a little, or you feel like your brain deserves better, subscribe. Because next week, I'm breaking down the how I built a dopamine-positive life that makes studying feel addictive instead of painful. Your attention is your power. It's time to take it back. You got this. I'm rooting for you.